Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Pratham Test Prep. This is your host Sanjeev Bhatia again with a new video on your legal affairs for your CLAT and AILET 2022 and 2023. So if you are new on the channel, do make sure that you hit on the like, share and subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit on the bell icon. And if you are not a part of our Telegram channel, do make sure that you are subscribing to our Telegram channel also under the name of CLAT@Pratham. Right now, why do you need to join this Telegram channel? Because it will give you all the articles, news updates for the law entrances that are required. There are expert advices from the mentors also that is available. Now, the first case for the day, that if principles of natural justice are violated, writ remedy is available despite statutory appeal. That's what the Delhi High Court has said. As the Delhi High Court has quashed an assessment order that was passed by the Revenue Department without issuing a prior show cause notice and draft assessment order to the assessee. Now, the High Court has ruled that the assessment order was passed in the violation of the principles of natural justice as well as mandatory procedures that are prescribed under Income Tax Act Faceless Assessment Scheme. Now, the bench consisting of Justice Manmohan and Dinesh Kumar Sharma held that there is the violation of the principle of natural justice. The availability of the appellant remedy does not bar the maintainability of a writ petition, right? So that is what is being said by the Delhi High Court in this case. Now coming to the next case, that is the writ of habeas corpus can't be issued in the missing persons case. Now this was the nothing in that such cases are to be dealt with as a regular case by the competent court of law, and that extraordinary jurisdiction of the Constitutional Court cannot be invoked. A division bench of Justice Arun Kumar Goswami and N.K. Chandravanshi observed that cases of missing persons are to be registered under regular provisions of the Indian Penal Code, and the police officials concerned are bound to investigate the same in the manner prescribed under the Code of Criminal Procedure, that is the CRPC. Yes, Akshat, the area of current affairs is very important for law. Now, divorced Muslim women can claim maintenance from husbands under the section 125 of CRPC as long as she doesn't marry. That's what the Allahabad High Court has said. And this was laid down in Shah Banu versus Imran Khan. The Allahabad High Court has observed that a divorced Muslim woman shall be entitled to claim maintenance from her husband under section 125 of CRPC, and even after the expiry of the period of iddat, as long as she doesn't remarry. Now, the bench of Justice Karunesh Singh Pawar also observed that while allowing the plea filed against the judgment and order passed by the additional sessions judge in May 2008 and modifying the trial court passed in 2007. ठीक है जी, तो उसको मिलेगी मेंटेनेंस अंडर सेक्शन 125 of the criminal procedure code if she doesn't remarry, right? That is the basic condition that a Muslim woman has to follow if she wants to claim a maintenance under 125 of the criminal procedure code. Now, there is no criminality. That's what the Supreme Court has said by acquitting a man who abandoned a lady from SC/ST community after living together, right? So the Supreme Court said that this man is acquitted who allegedly abandoned a lady belonging to SC/ST community. And also the court has said it is nobody case that the agreement was forced on the prosecutrix. That means that lady, as even the High Court was pleased to observe that it was done voluntarily. Section 3(1)(12) deals with the case of one party being in a dominant position, exerting such dominance on the will of women, and thereafter also going for sexual relations. The fact of the case do not attack aforesaid provisions, as there is no evidence that suggests that the appellant was in a position to dominate the will of the prosecutrix. So that means that the person was living in that house with that person on her own will, and there is nothing that is being tried to compel on her, and everything was done very voluntarily in this case. So the court has said there is no criminality if the person has left that woman. Now, coming to the next part is that the president has given his assent to the Criminal Procedure Identification Act. We have discussed that also, and also the municipality corporation has also come up regarding the merging of all the Delhi municipalities. The SDMC, NDMC, and EDMC all have came together to come up and create one municipal corporation, right? So that's what is being said here. Now, coming to the next part is that Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey has been named as the new army chief, and he's first from the corps of the engineers who's been appointed as the army chief. Now, Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey was appointed on Monday as the new chief army staff, and he will succeed General M.M. Narvane on May of 1st. Now, in his 39 years of command of military service, he has taken important and challenging commands, and he's also been in the commands of Engineers Brigade in the Western Theatre as the part of Strike Corps and Infantry Brigade along with LOC in J&K, a mountain division in the high altitude of Western Ladakh, and the command of corps deployed amongst the line of LAC and in counter-insurgents operations areas of Eastern Command, right? So these were the positions where he was doing it, and also he is doing it now. So he's become the head of the chief of the army, and he's gonna do that from May of 1st, right? So that's a big news that is coming up to your part. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks for joining this live session. Hope you all are taking care of yourself. Don't forget to wear your mask and use your hand sanitizers, and also maintain social distancing. Please do take care of yourself and have a nice day ahead, and have a nice weekend, and do study well, and also take care of your health and your family and friends. So have a nice day, guys. Thanks for joining this live session. Hope to see you all again very soon on the same place and the same time on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please do hit on the like, share, and subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit on the bell icon. Thank you, guys.